In this lesson, we discuss a technique called as the what-if scenario analysis. While creating the schedule, you will have to make many decisions based on hypothetical situations. What if scenario X happens? What if Y happens? And so on. You will be faced with evaluating different scenarios to predict positive or negative effects on the project goals. Some of the common situations you will find yourself in are 1. Evaluating different ways to build a schedule. 2. Change requests in the project. 3. Changes to resources in the team or to the allocations that you have made. 4. Probable delays to major components, etc. Now, the big question is, how do I conduct the what-if scenario? The answer is every scenario is to be analyzed by network analysis. You have to plan out the different scenarios and compute all the parameters. Without the use of modern tools for scheduling, this is a difficult analysis to perform, but with the tools like Microsoft Project, it is pretty simple. On the screen now, I have the actual work in progress schedule for our ongoing hospital EHR project. Microsoft Project will make what-if analysis relatively simple for you. Observe the task on line number 12. It is on the critical path. Imagine if the EHR vendor gets back to you and says, "We don't have to do this task as a readily packaged architecture can be used." And this is where you will have to perform a what-if analysis, that is a network analysis has to be done now. And for this situation, for us, it is as simple as just inactivating the specific task. Instantly, you can see the network realigns automatically thanks to Microsoft Project's algorithms. The new critical path will show up automatically, and now you can make your decisions. We just saw a very simple example, but you can perform all kinds of similar experiments to evaluate the different schedule designs, different resource allocations, and studying the impact of change requests, and so on with this kind of a what-if scenario analysis. And now we come to the conclusion of this lesson. The goal of a what-if scenario analysis is to 1. Study project outcomes under different scheduling conditions. 2. To prepare for and to justify schedule reserves. If you want extra budget, extra resources, etc. on your project, present a powerful what-if analysis to your management and to your customers. Finally, to prepare for different risk response plans, a what-if analysis is unbeatable. And with that, I will close this lesson and see you in the next.